Hey guys, it's Cameron here, aka the Drunk Reefer. I recently had someone ask me how loud the AI Nero 5 pump is at full bore. Well, I just wanted to do a quick video to demonstrate full power to you guys. I've got my return pump off, my skimmer off, pretty much everything in the room that can make noise off. Sorry, I've got GoPro handheld so all the microphones are exposed. So here we go. Let's do a quick all on and let's do it for 1 minute. Sorry about the dogs barking. Now, as you can see, moves a heck of a lot of water. I don't think that's right. It's not showing me the current gallon per hour here, but as you can see, it's moving some water. And I'm gonna go around to closer to the actual power head and be quiet for a second. So there you go, as it's moving a crap ton of water in my tank. It's fairly quiet for the volume of water that it's actually moving. All right, and then it's off. I just did a 1 minute. I'll do a quick another 1 minute as it were. All right, before I create more of a sandstorm, that's about it. Be sure to subscribe and hit the like button down below. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Later.